Welcome back to the Fierce Hot Wheel, guys. Today we're featuring something new, something exciting, something that I've reviewed already, but I want to review it again. Well, back ago I reviewed this Ford Mustang or Shelby GT-500, the blue color. Today I stopped by one of the stores. Look what I found. Nice red color. This is a 2019 edition. This came out the first half of the 2019, and I guess this one came out in late half 2019. So you could also look by the weeks. If you look over here down the graph, let's see. Sorry, it's upside down. It says L31. That means the L is the year that Hot Wheel was made. 31 means the what it was of the year it was made. Like you know, there's 52 weeks in a year. So there you go. Well, anyways, I know I did a review, so I'm just gonna do a quick review on this one with couple extra touch-up details. As you see, this is a nice red color. Same thing, 33 out of 250. Hot Wheels Flames, 10 out of 10, just like that one, but that one's blue. So I just decided to pick this one up because I really like how it looks, how this turned out. So there you go. Let's just put it side by side. They're pretty heavy, actually. Some Hot Wheels you can feel the lightness in it, but these, like, you can feel pure metal on it. But I like the hood scoop, how they redesigned in 2010. Back 2008 they had an older one, hood scoop, but they redesigned, and I really like it, actually. And I like how these turn out, how they did the rims all black with different colors. This one's yellow and white in the back. This one's chrome and yellow. Nice yellow windows. GT-500 Shelby, also a name of Eleanor. Now the other thing I want to tell you, even though in Wikipedia it says the designer of this was Gail Halderman, saw a picture of him. Technically, he wasn't a designer. He recruited Ford in 1954, and then he did a sketch for a new car, Ford Mustang, that they did, and he actually drew some sketches out, and that was the best one that they liked it. So he was a sketcher, but the designer or the father of the Ford Mustang, he was also CEO, and let's see, he was the chief executive and a GM, general manager, assistant general manager at Ford back then. His name is Lee Iacocca. Yeah, sad story, but he died this year in July 2nd of 2019. He was 94. As you saw, he was born on October 15th, 1924. Technically, he would have been 95 years a couple of weeks ago. So that's one of the other reasons why I wanted to do this classic Hot Wheel, so I can pay a little tribute to him and have him as a father. Since he's a father of a Ford Mustang or the pony cars, and later on when Gone 60 Seconds movie came out, that was renamed as Eleanor. So now when they wanted to build, when Lee came up with this design, he had the owner said that he gave him a few 5 rules. He wanted to be a 4-seater car with 2 bucket seats in the back, he wanted floor mounted clutch. That was number 2. He wanted the car weigh no more than 2,500 pounds. And he wanted also sell no more than $2,500, which back then is a lot of money. Today is not a lot, but and the other one he wanted was no more than 180 inches in width, and then he wanted to have multiple power, comfort, and luxurious. So those were the things he wanted. And I know one day I read it somewhere as I was looking, I couldn't find it again, I lost the page, but when the company gave him the money, I know they broke like 77 different rules that back then government had, and the regulations about having a car. So what the cars should be and what is, and the company had their own rules, I believe, and they broke like 77 different rules. So those were the little details that I want to touch up that I didn't say any in this one, the blue one. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. Let's put them on the spin wheel. Pretty nice Eleanor Mach 1, you could say. Nice, mean looking one. To be honest, I actually like the first edition of Mustangs, like these ones, 1964 to 1968, I believe, or 70. Then after that, they kind of started screwing up a little bit here and there and messing up with the design, which I didn't really like them. And I really then I kind of liked the 90s Mustangs, the first edition. Like, I'll show you the pictures. I didn't like the next generation where they exploded a little bit, which didn't look. It looked more mean. It looked more aggressive, but not as stylish. And whoever came up with a good conclusion, back to the basics, like I said, Mustangs, the Challengers that they brought back, the Chargers, they started back from the basics as a classic, but they made it more modern. And that's what I like. Whoever came up with that conclusion and started doing that's a good hit. And a lot of cars I see a lot of those classic cars got reborn, you could say. So thank you for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, comment maybe your best Ford Mustang designs, and maybe what Hot Wheel from what team they were, and I'll just comment down below. Tell me what year, probably which one you got from what team, what number, and if I find any, who knows, I might do a review on it. If I got any, I might do a review on it. But I would like to have more subscribers, more viewers. Thank you, guys. Have a great night.